Patch Your Life Detox Patch. From the dawn of the Industrial Revolution, we have been in constant exposure to numerous harmful pollutants that cause damage to virtually every cell in our body. We might not notice it, but our body's defenses are doing tremendous efforts to segregate the toxins we ingest, inhale, or expose to so as to lessen their impact in our system. However, at some point, toxins that are not eliminated are stored in almost every body part. Detoxification is a short-term and one way of purging the body of toxins. However, not everybody is qualified for a detox program, which ranges from mild, moderate, and extreme. People who have chronic ailments, malnourished, have anemia, or simply put those who are not physically fit may not be allowed by their doctors to immerse in a detox program. It is for this reason that detox patches were developed. This technology originated in Asia. It took 24 years for Japanese scientists to come up with an organic product able to absorb body toxins when you are asleep. Although a detox patch is a new technology, its ingredients have been in use for thousands of years by the Chinese. How a detox patch works. According to old Chinese medicine, our bodies have reflexology meridian points on the soles of our feet that correspond to each organ. A detox patch, when stuck at any of these meridian points during sleep, absorbs the toxins stored in different parts. On the other hand, the body is wonderfully designed to have a lymphatic system that filters and absorbs excess fluids and cellular wastes, as well as serves as vanguards of the immune system. They can't function properly if congested with toxic substances. By placing a detox patch on the foot and lymphatic points, it can absorb the toxins to lessen the body's toxic load. Users of this technology claim the detox patches have given them deeper and better night's sleeps, revitalized them by stimulating blood circulation, and restored their mental concentration. Contents of a detox patch. Various types of detox patches have distinct ingredients. Some manufacturers offer warming detox patches: bamboo vinegar, tourmaline, lavender, milk thistle, and green tea. The chief ingredients of a detox patch are wood vinegar, bamboo vinegar, vegetable fiber, chitosan, known for segregating fatty tissues and excreting it out of the body, loquat leaf extract, dichotomy, Houtuinia cordata, has effective absorption properties, vitamin C, milk thistle, dextrin. The long-term efficacy of any detox effort depends on your lifestyle and eating habits. A low-fiber, high-fat diet defeats the purpose of detox patches because you keep on replacing toxins that you try to eliminate.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.